Do you want to make your English more exciting and authentic? Idioms are exactly what you need. In this video, we'll dive into the world of expressions that give English its unique flair. You'll learn how to enrich your daily conversations with phrases native speakers use to turn ordinary talk into something unforgettable. Get ready to discover new meanings and creative ways to express yourself. Are you ready to take off? Let's begin. Go back a long way. Go back a long way. My grandparents go back a long way. They've been married for over 50 years. Don't be a stranger. Don't be a stranger. I hope you had a good time. Don't be a stranger and come back soon. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. He uses it to keep in touch with friends around the world. Just what the doctor ordered. Just what the doctor ordered. On Friday, we finally used the fireplace, and it was just what the doctor ordered on a cold winter's night.